So today I'm gonna teach you how to cut eyebrow, how to shape eyebrows. Yeah, so when you're shaping them, first comb them up, brush them upside. After brushing, then you see the shape. When you're trimming eyebrow, we're going to hold this part up and then we trim. So when you're holding that side up, helps you to give it the shape of the eyebrow. Yes, so trim it slowly. Yes. Yeah, this is the second video of eyebrow. I remember there is another video which I uploaded there, so I'm just doing a revision for those who. So when you're trimming, the moment you hold that part up, helps you give it the shape of the eyebrow. Yeah. Keep on combing, brushing it upside. Even this side also, you do the same. Hold that side up, and you trim. Trim it slowly. Most of times people always don't use this method, but this method is method and very easy. So after I cut them up, just change your razor blade, first snap it up, then trim. So guys, the moment you learn how to trim this when you're using this method, your customers actually be perfect, more perfect than you used to be. This one helps you a lot. So guys, keep on locked, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and say goodbye. See you next time on my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.